Hey guys, what's going on? It is Tcarp. I am coming to you today again from the property in the, I just bought 5 acres, what now kind of continuation. It's been a little bit. I've got tons of projects for you guys to see and to show you. I've got an awesome neighbor that's letting me use their tractor today and to help bush hog the property. I've got so much going on. Stay with me, we'll get into it. All right, so first thing is people are asking me, how's your build going? So let's take a look. We have concrete. Yes, so it's a big deal. So right now, as of the making of this video, 2025, this concrete pad cost about $27,000. Okay. Now, this is all included in the building with a company called Summertown Metals. They're out of Summertown, Tennessee. So what we decided to do was we went with a house called, I believe, called the Meadows Inn. And it is a one-level house. It's on a slab. And you're saying, oh man, you dug down deep. One thing that we kind of you kind of have to realize is you have to have a flat land, and this may look flat-ish, but it's not flat, and we had to dig into the kind of the ground here to do it. We were going to think about raising it up. The price on that wasn't it, so I've got a lot of dirt that I'm definitely going to move around and kind of move to different areas. Like I said, I've got a ton of dirt. Probably going to make me some shooting berms and whatnot. But yeah, as of right here, you got a lot going on. I've got my buddy up there building. I've got another neighbor over here building. We got a lot going on in a good way. But when it comes to this, you've got your back porch, your front porch. It's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. This is like I said, Summertown's barn Dominium. Got everything down there. Now, one thing I want people to realize is when it comes to land prep has probably been one of the ones that's kind of surprised us when it comes to the price. The price on the land prep has gone up from 7 to 10. Now it's up to about $20,000, and that's one thing that's been a little surprising. We had contingency plans, we had the money, but it's kind of like, oh, it's dwindling. But again, that's okay. I'm excited to see this tractor my neighbor's got. It's a Kubota and a little yard tractor, and we're just, like I said, excited to see what he's got for me, and I'll do kind of like a review of it. Because like I said, I don't have it, but I'll do a review. Now, some people ask like, hey, I thought you had a zero turner. I do. That zero turn, the starter on it's not necessarily working. And to be honest, with everything going on, I don't have 100% time to go and get all that done and to get that fixed up. So right now, it honestly just became something I will do later. But I've got a great neighbor who's like, hey, I'll let you use this. I just got to gas it up and make sure everything's taken care of, and no worries there. What I've also got, I've got some stuff out here for some deer. Let's see. Yep, they are still coming to this area. Still probably mad at me because I haven't given anything. So, but I've got deer still coming to it. And they've scratched it all to death, and that's fine. I'm gonna see if I can put out some food plots. It's been really dry out here lately, really dry. Shoot, it's been dry. Look at this, guys. It's just dry. So I'm definitely bush hogging, but that's about everything. That's about all I can really do. Man, that's dry. But I'm gonna try to set up some stuff for them. It'd be nice if I could dig out like a little pond for these deer. That way they can come and have a nice place to chill. Let's see if they're still coming out. Yeah, they're still coming out the same area. They're not coming out in frequency, but they're still coming out of that right there, which is fine. Which is, like I said, just fine. They might be, see if I can find the trail they might be using. Let's just see. Yeah, like I said, they're not absolutely busting down this trail like they used to be, but we'll clean it up. We'll clean it up for them and make it a little bit more useful. But they still, yeah, they're still coming in. They're just coming in a little bit different ways, which is fine. I just got to get them coming back to it again, which, hey, we can do that. We can definitely make that happen. So, but heck yeah, I'm excited. And we'll have some fun, boys and girls. We'll have some fun.